Hello and welcome everybody. Today's topic, cash versus accrual basis of accounting. We're going to take a deep dive into this fundamental topic in the world of accounting. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or just someone interested in understanding the financial aspects of your business, this one's for you. We'll break down the differences between cash versus accrual accounting, and we'll help you decide which method might be best for your situation. First of all, let's understand the basic concepts. Cash accounting and accrual accounting are two different methods used to record revenues and expenses in a business. Cash accounting recognizes transactions only when the payment is exchanged. So, hence the cash part, when the cash comes in or when the cash goes out. On the other hand, accrual accounting recognizes transactions when they actually occur, regardless of when payment is made or received. So when you incur when you do the work, that's when you book it in the accrual side of things. When you incur the cost, that's when it's booked as an expense in accrual accounting. Doesn't matter if you didn't pay it yet, as long as you've accrued it, it's already happened and it's already occurred, that's under the accrual basis of accounting. So the main differences to understand between cash and accrual: cash is when money actually physically leaves or comes in. Accrual is when you've earned it or spent it, not necessarily dealing with the physical cash in or out. Okay, so first, let's talk cash accounting. And one of the major advantages of cash accounting is its simplicity. It's straightforward. You record the transaction when money changes hands, like I said before, when money comes in, when money goes out. This method provides a clear picture of how much cash your business actually has at any given time. It's also very commonly used by small businesses and freelancers, especially those without any significant inventory or large sales volumes. Cash accounting is the default standard for taxation and on a tax return, and most 9 out of 10 small business owners are using the cash basis of accounting because, again, like I said, it's easy, it's simple, it's straightforward. Easy to understand, easy to implement. However, there's always some disadvantages to everything because, as I like to say, in the world of accounting, everything must balance. There's always got to be the good with the bad. There's always got to be the happy to have, there's always got to be some sadness to have the joy. Anyway. So, the disadvantages of cash accounting are that it might not give you a totally accurate representation of the long-term financial health of your business. And for instance, if you make a sale on credit, it won't show up in your records until the cash is actually received. This can distort your overall revenues and your net profits. So, say you are a medical office and you provide medical services. On November 1st, you do a surgery for $10,000. Okay, but that patient doesn't pay for the $10,000 surgery until January 1st of the next year. So in the cash basis of accounting, that $10,000 will not show up as income to you or profit to you until January of the next year. But under the accrual basis of accounting, that $10,000 would show as your profit or your income in the current year. Okay, so cash accounting basically is when cash physically leaves or enters your bank account. The advantages are that it's simple and straightforward. Disadvantages are it doesn't always give an accurate representation of where your business is financially, health-wise. Now on to accrual accounting. Accrual accounting provides a more comprehensive picture of your company's financial position. It recognizes the revenues and the expenses when they are incurred, not necessarily when the cash is exchanged. This method does provide a more accurate long-term view of your business's financial health, but it's often used by bigger businesses and those that require inventories and large volumes of transactions. Again, as always, there are disadvantages. The disadvantages to the accrual basis of accounting is that it's far more complex, therefore it's more time consuming. You need more resources, more human resources, more education and knowledge about how to do things properly. You have to track accounts receivable and accounts payable, and you have to carefully manage your cash flow. Plus, if you're on the accrual basis of accounting and there's some downturns in the economics, or if your customers don't pay you, or many other scenarios that can happen, this can give a false sense of profitability to your business as well. So there's many different factors that would play into having something recorded under the accrual basis of accounting that would make your business look better or worse than what it really is. There can be some misnomers, and the way it comes off, it could potentially appear less profitable than what it really is. Okay, so there you have it. The differences between cash versus accrual accounting and how they might be applied to you and your unique situation. So how do you choose? How do you choose which method is best for you? Well, it really does depend on the nature and the size of your business, how long you've been around, what you want to see, how you want to track things and measure things. If you prefer simplicity and have a really small operation that maybe is just getting started or it's in its first few years, the cash accounting method would probably be very suitable for you. However, if you want a more accurate picture of the long-term financial health of your business, especially if you're in an industry that has significant credit transactions, people buy things on credit, you're managing a lot of inventory, then you definitely want to consider using the accrual basis of accounting. That might be a better choice for you. But either way, in conclusion, both cash and accrual accounting methods have their pros and their cons, just like everything in life. The key is really to understand what it is that your business needs and then choose a method that aligns best with your goals. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.